All right, so we're going to take a look at this OtterBox case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And OtterBox is known for providing some of the best protection for cell phones. So if you really want to protect your phone and increase the resale value, this is a case that you want to check out. So once you take the case out of the box, you want to separate the soft shell from the hard shell. And then you want to take your phone and go ahead and place it into the soft shell. From there, you want to attach the soft shell and hard shell together, and it helps if you take the charging tab and put that in place first. So you just want to feed it through the hole and then snap the rest of the hard shell onto the phone. So on the bottom, you can see you have your protective flap for your charging port, as well as the cutouts for your speakers. You have your buttons on each side, and this case is still pretty slim, so it doesn't make your phone overly large, but it still gives you a great amount of protection. On the back, you also have some edges to help keep your cameras protected. And then removing the case is just as easy as installing the case. The case is also compatible with wireless charging. So if you're looking for some top-level protection for your phone, this is definitely a case worth checking out.